work was published in JACS 2006. So, we will discuss first the mechanism of the formation of pyridine, where the sulfonyl alkyne was used. Sulfonyl acetylene 14 was incorporated in the aza-titanocycle 7 in a regioselective manner to give intermediate 16AB. So, first this is formed, we have seen earlier, the aza-titanocyclopentadiene will be formed with titanium isopropoxide, 2 equivalent of isopropyl magnesium chloride minus 50 degree centigrade with alkyne and an nitrile. After this you put this one, and now this 4 plus 2 will happen, and now this will be formed, and this 16A which will be converted to 16B like earlier we have seen. And now the elimination of SO2 toluene group. So, this is the elimination. SO2 toluene group will this titanium metallated pyridine derivatives. So, this way the SO2 toluene is eliminating, this bond is in nitrogen titanium is breaking, and you get a double bond, that is the aromatization also. So, this is aromatization is happening here, and you get this titanium carbon bond here, which can be of course protonated to get this pyridine compound. For the furan formation, we have seen that you have to use another aldehyde. So, aza-cyclopentadiene 7 generated from 4 and 6 was added benzaldehyde, and the reaction mixture was gradually warmed to room temperature to give ADAC 48. So, this was the common intermediate aza-titanocyclopentadiene, and now if you react with benzaldehyde, and here the benzaldehyde will add to this carbon titanium bond, because this is more reactive. So, this bond will break and the benzaldehyde will come. So, this is the benzaldehyde substituents here, and benzyl group is here, benzaldehyde after addition. And now, if you put the acid, what will happen? This alcohol will attack to the iminium ion to generate this intermediate, and then the aromatization will happen to give this furan. So, aromatization. Also, one equivalent of ammonia is eliminated, as you can see the ammonia is a leaving group here. So, you get a tetrasubstituted furan. So, this is very useful method to generate tetrasubstituted furan, the alkyne, nitrile and an aldehyde. And now pyrrole, we have told that if 2 equivalent of nitrile is used, then the pyrrole formation happens, and this is the mechanism. The compound is most likely produced by a double addition of nitrile to the acetylene complex 5-17-21, and the resultant dititanocycloheptatine 6 was hydrolyzed to diamide 62, which under a ring closure. So, this is formed, and now 6, this is 6, the nitrile. The nitrile is 6. So, after this common intermediate form, and now the nitrile again is added, 6 is again added, and selectively, as we have seen, this bond will break, and here the addition happens, and nitrile addition you get imine. So, this is the intermediate diaza-titanocycloheptatine 60 is formed. So, here you can see 2 imine is present, and now because this is a hydrogen is acidic. So, this kind of isomerization will happen. Of course, this is happening because of aromatization, and now this enamine will attack to the iminium ion, that is what, to generate this 5-member nitrogen cycle 63, and elimination of ammonium group followed by aromatization will give you pyrrole. Pyrrole carboxyaldehyde 61 as the final product. So, this is very important reaction, pyrrole carboxyaldehyde. So, this is useful reaction. If you use 1 equivalent of alkyne and 2 equivalent of nitrile, then you can get this pyrrole with titanium chemistry. So, this is the acid mediated here finally. Now we will see what happens with imine. So instead of nitrile, if you react with imine, then again this bond will break here. So if TMS is there, then this bond will break and you get a addition reaction, and here you can put with iodine, then this carbon titanium will be replaced by iodine. So you get vinyl iodide, and also this is alpha beta unsaturated amine. So imine is converted to amine, and also if you put the acidic workup, then this titanium bond can be break. Alternatively, you can put carbon dioxide, then you get a amide, cyclic amide, which is called lactam. So formation of lactam is observed. So this carbonate group is coming from carbon dioxide, and the double cyclization is happening to get this cycle. Now we will discuss Kulinkovich reaction. This is also a powerful reaction for the generation of cyclopropanols from esters.